I hope everyone's doing good. I am Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me. This question here is a request from a viewer related to arithmetic progression, or you can say arithmetic series. The third item of this arithmetic progression is 5. The 17th item of this progression is 30. We have to find A1, D, and S28. What does that mean? We're looking for the first term, the common difference, and the sum of the 28 terms. How do you go about doing this? Remember the formulas. The nth term is always equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times your common difference. With regards to the sum, you can always say the sum of the n terms is equal to n over 2 times your first and the nth term in a sum relationship. Now we have a third is equal to 5, the a 17th term is equal to 30. Why don't we set up a system of linear equations? I know the third term is equal to 5. Looking here at this equation, the a third term is equal to 5 and it happens to be an unknown in terms of the a first plus n minus 1. It's the third term, 3 minus 1 times d. I don't know the d, but I'm developing a linear equation. Do the same thing with the 17th term. The 17th term happens to be a 30. We don't know the first term. We know the n value here is 17 minus 1 times the common difference. And now if you clean everything out, you have 5 is equal to a1 plus 2d. Here you have 30 is equal to a1 plus 16d. You have a system of linear equations right here. You can take the two items and subtract them. The a1 terms will cancel, and what would you have? You would have here a minus 25 is equal to a minus 14d. Your common difference here is equal to 25 over 14. Each term is going to be 25 over 14 units more than the term before it. I can put this in any of these equations and solve for the first term, and I'll put so in this 5 is equal to a1 plus 2 times 25 over 14. 5 is equal to a1 plus 50 over 14. Now from here solve for a1. a1, your first term, is equal to 5 minus 50 over 14. You will do common denominators. 5 times 14 minus 50, I'll have 20 divided by 14. Your a1 term is equal to 20 over 14, or simplify it. It's 10 over 7, and that's what I have. 10 over 7. My common difference here is a 25 over 14. Now that I have the a1 term, the d term, I need to find the a-nth term, because the a-nth term is going to come right here in the s, the sum formula. And let's find the a-nth term. The a28th term is equal to a1, which is your 10 over 7, plus I have 28 minus 1, the n minus 1 times the common difference, 25 over 14. Solve this out. 10 over 7 plus 27 times 25 over 14. You can do this. Denominator of 14, 7 goes in 14 two times. You'll have a 20 plus 27 times 25. Solve this out. You have a 695 over 14. We don't need to simplify this any further. We'll just keep it as is. The a28th term is 695 over 14. Now what we will do is solve for the sum of these 28 terms. The sum of the 28th terms is equal to n, which is 28 divided by 2 times your a1 term, 10 over 7, plus 695 over 14. You can do a common denominator here of 14. 20 plus 695 times 28 over 2, which is really a 14. This 14 and this 14 cancel out. The only thing which will remain is 20 plus 695, and that will be 715. The sum of this series, where the first term is 10 over 7, the common difference is 25 over 14, that 28th term being 695 over 14, that sum will be 715, and we are done. I've shown you everything coming here with regards to system of linear equations, setting the format and the procedure onwards. Have a good night. Bye.